Have you ever wondered how it feels to cook in a real African house? Then join me as I step into the kitchen of Maskat and the mamas of Zanzibar to uncover the secret recipes and vibrant flavors of this stunning island. They are giving the full experience to people they want to discover the real deal. Going to the market, talk to the producers, and the first thing I saw was raw tuna fish. No ice, no cooling system. Welcome to Zanzibar.
So, to be honest, this as a European looks
very scary.
very scary.
Yes.
You name it.
Totally understand.
So having a fish market without any ice and without any cooling system, it's
Scary.
scary.
So most of the fish are fresh, and we're not very far from the ocean where we are. So just 10 minutes away from here, on the other side of the road, is the fish. Yeah.
Okay.
So they fish it. They come directly over here. As you can see, he's cutting it over there, straight from cutting over here, and the people are buying it.
Okay.
And going off, yeah? So it is chop, 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 go take, go cook.
Chop, 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 go take, go cook. That's so Zanzibar style. It's just too fresh to cool it down.
Ushailipia hiyo?
So, the most important thing I learned today about the Zanzibar cuisine, it's all about coconut.
The one ingredient that you're sure to get when you go to the market is coconut. Because in Zanzibari food, most of our food we cook with coconut. And the traditional food is what we use most. The cassava we put in coconut. The sheli we cook in coconut. Even breads, some of our breads we cook in coconut. So coconut
Fish,
is
coconut.
fish,
Octopus,
coconut. You get it.
Everything, coconut.
Perfect.
Well, cooking is a language on its own, but sometimes it's just being lost in translation.
Mseto wa harafu. This is Swahili.
Mseto hahara. Muhogo.
Mseto wa mihogo.
Mseto wa hogo.
Almost.
Mseto.
Mseto.
Au mchanganyiko wa muhogo na beans.
It's too long to.
It's too long. Okay. Main point is cassava and beans.
Yes.
So
Yes.
again, here we have our ripe plantain.
Yeah.
We've cut it and we put it together in the dish. Yeah. And then we have the cassava leaves that we've boiled already.
Yeah. Mashed and boiled.
Mashed and boiled, exactly. So the trick is, as I told you, everything is boiled. Most of the food in Zanzibar, traditional food, is boiled and with coconut milk. It's very healthy this way. The food is healthy. The food is no chemical inside, no oil. It's just boiling and adding the milk. So what we're going to show you now, you remember you grated the coconut. Now
Yes.
we're going to squeeze it and put it into our many dishes that we put. So Mama Mtumwa is going to show you how to do that.
Perfect.
Well, you know, the best thing about being together with the mamas and cook with them is to see them just working with one knife. It's no chopping boards, no special equipment. They just need this small knife. And also really impressive was the timing. It was like so professional. We went to the market, the beans were already in the making. Then we came home, then they put the cassava in. Market, teaching, laughing, cooking, chopping, and suddenly everything was ready to eat.
Okay, so
Yeah,
you can taste the food now.
one thing I learned.
Yes.
Shakul ashema.
Chakula chema. Very good. Hey.
Chakula
Hongera
chema.
sana. Eh.
Thank you so much.
Asante sana. Enjoy your feel. Let us know how it is, yes?
I know how it is without tasting.
Uh-huh. You can taste the coconut and everything, no?
What do they put in the can
I don't know.
with the coconut?
Don't use the can anymore. Now from now on you use...
Wow. Wow, wow, wow.
So, are you ready to taste Zanzibar yourself? Then book your stay with TUI Blue Hotels and dive into the real, authentic cuisine of this beautiful island on your next vacation. And don't forget to subscribe our channel to get some more exciting travel footage.